Recovery isn't optional. It's structural. Most people think recovery is something you fit in when you have time. A luxury. A bonus. A reward for working hard. But recovery is none of those things. Recovery is the chain that restores the system. Without it, every other chain, internal and external, begins to fray. Recovery isn't what you do after capability. Recovery is what makes capability possible. The analogy, the builder and the mortar. Imagine building a brick wall. The bricks are your effort, your training, your decisions, your behaviors. But bricks alone don't make a wall. You need mortar. Mortar is recovery. It's what binds the bricks together. It's what gives the wall strength. It's what prevents collapse under pressure. If you lay bricks without mortar, the wall looks impressive for a moment. Then it falls apart the first time it's tested. Most people live like that wall. All bricks, no mortar. Recovery is the mortar that makes your capability hold. Recovery isn't what you do after capability. Recovery is what makes capability possible.